Okay, I want to give us a unique herbal remedy for sore throat and cough. This herbal remedy combines turmeric, raw honey, and black pepper for a powerful anti-inflammatory and immune boosting effect. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons raw honey, quarter teaspoon black pepper, because this is going to enhance turmeric absorption, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger juice. This is optional, but it is for extra soothing effect. How to use it? Mix all ingredients in a small jar until it is smooth. Then take 1 teaspoon of the mixture every few hours to relieve sore throat and cough. For extra relief, stir a teaspoon into warm water or herbal teas. Bye.